Hi. This is an installation of Kaleidoscope. Step 1. Install Kaleidoscope. Make sure want to installation on the hard drive. Now restart the system. And now, the system is now restarted. Let's install skins. First up, go to Control Panel and click Appearance. Or click Apple menu and click Kaleidoscope Schemes. If you recommended the monster theme, I use the Appearance tab. Click Aquamax and click Apply. Sorry, the theme don't work. Let's try applying Kaleidoscope. Boom. And there you have it. That is installing Kaleidoscope on Mac OS 9 using SheepShaver. Thanks for watching.